Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah we will start. What is the meaning of commands? The commands in the computer's world are the instructions that are given to the computer to achieve a specific task. Without our instructions to the computer, and when the computer doesn't do these instructions, the computer considered as a useless device and will not be an important thing. So, the instructions that we give to the computer are make the computer a useful device. So, what are these commands? These commands that help us to make websites like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, AI applications like robots or ChatGPT, games, and data analysis. All those fields depend on instructions, the commands that we give to the computer. Don't forget to press the like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos. And thank you so much for watching.